Hi, here I'm going to show you how to use AI to create worksheet for students to record transactions in the general journal. So here's my prompt, and I'm just going to copy this and paste it into the AI. Okay, here I'm using Bing Chat because it generates an Excel spreadsheet later on for the answers, which is a little bit easier to manipulate. So here we'll just go through the prompt. So I'm a Year 10 accounting teacher. I need to create 12 transactions. Again, you can change the number there. For a trading business, this can be also changed to a service business if you need to. For the month of June, again, you can change the month every time you create one of these sheets. Include the following types of transactions. So you've got credit purchase of inventory, cash purchase of inventory, cash and credit sales of inventory with cost of goods sold, payment of expenses, and I'll give it some examples. You can change these: rent, wages, electricity, internet, drawings of cash, sale returns of inventory and cost of goods sold, purchase return of inventory to the supplier. Obviously, you can change those types of transactions depending on what you want your students to work on. Here I've got creative business and customer names related to a topic here. You can choose the topic that your students are interested in. So here, as an example, put in Disney characters. Cost of goods sold, because it is a trading business, from 30 to 60%, so it changes it up a bit. Only describe each transaction for each date with amounts such as June 1, purchase 500 of inventory from Supplier A on credit. So this gives you an example of how we want it to generate. So click on submit and give it a few moments and it will create these 12 transactions. Obviously, it's used the topic. Okay, so put in Disney characters, and so all the business names, customer names are related to Disney characters. You can change that to suit your students' interests. Then here, we've got all the transactions. So again, wide variety of transactions. Okay, and a few moments and it's all done. So what we're going to do is to copy these and just going to paste them into a Word document. Again, with AI, you just do need to go through the transactions just to make sure they all do make sense. Sometimes you just need to tidy them up a bit. So purchase inventory, credit, cash purchase of inventory, sold inventory. Okay, again, we might just tidy up to get rid of the cost of goods sold percentage. Again, cash sale, 320 is the cost of goods sold. Just get rid of that. Expenses, $200 for drawings, return $100 worth of inventory, get rid of the cost of goods sold there. Okay, return $150, sold some more inventory on credit. Okay, made a cash sale of inventory. Again, we'll get rid of this cost of goods sold. There will be one adjustment that we do because they probably haven't bought as much inventory as they need to sell, so we'll change that in a second. Returned, and that's so what we might do is just increase this so they do have enough inventory to sell if they do create the ledgers further on, so the inventory doesn't go into negative. So once we've done that, we've got the transactions. Now we can generate the solution. So I'll just go back to my prompt. Again, just want to prepare the general journal in a table. And this is where it will export it into an Excel spreadsheet. Again, each account's going to be on a separate line, just to be a bit specific. And if you go to the worksheet, all the transactions, copy those and paste them after the prompt here, submit that. And then in a few moments, it will generate the answers to those transactions. As you can see there, it's a little Excel icon, and we can export these to an Excel spreadsheet. We do need to change it, makes it a little bit easier. And for this, depending on how you want to order the transactions, we might need to make some changes so we can change where the sales is, make it after the accounts receivable or cash account, which only takes a few minutes in Excel. Again, does do sales returns as well. But so all appears accurate, but we can change the order of some of the accounts if we need to. Again, it is handy putting the topic that students are interested in, keeps them engaged, and it makes it a little bit more interesting for them and saves you a lot of time. So just one more transaction to go. All right, so they're all done. So we can go back up to and export them to the Excel spreadsheet. And we can just change these a little bit. So here, so the sales to be out for the accounts receivable. And I'm just going to do that a few times. And expenses are all good. Drawing, sales returns and allowances. Again, purchase return. Again, here, just want to change that sales there. Again, there's another one there. Let's change the sales. And sales returns is all good. And another purchase return. So there you have the solution. So we can copy that. And if we head back to our Word document, where we have the transactions, just going to put these on a new page and Control V to paste them. Again, just might add some borders there, and they're the answers to the transactions that we've created. So there, you've generated the transactions and generated the solutions in a matter of moments. Hopefully that helps you and ease your burden. Thanks.